Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Today is Friday, August 2nd, 2024 at 5:52 a.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you for joining. It week been a lot of up and down price action. A little more down. We were looking at all the bear divs on Monday. And guess what happened? A lot of dumpskis. But we could be seeing some relief, at least shortly. Then maybe we get some more dumpskis. We'll see. We'll get into it. How are you guys doing? Good morning, Chris Klein. Good morning, Blackie Chan. It's Friday and last day at the old job. Yeah, let's go. 5:52 a.m. here too. Hey, we're both in Central Standard Time. That's what's up. So you're close to me, and some you're in my time zone. So that means you're pretty close. Good morning, Rockinos. Happy weekend. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. You're probably closer than us, Rockinos. But yeah, so Bitcoin, a little bit of a dumpskis, but had a nice little bounce. We'll get into the charts, but the fear and greed index for the crypto market is sitting at a 58. What up, Blake? What's going on? Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Oh, Wisconsin. Oh, you're a cheesehead. He's a cheesehead. I already know it. I know he's a cheesehead. You can't be from Wisconsin and not be a cheesehead. You're definitely a cheesehead. I'm 5 hours away from you. Yeah. You're 5 hours away from in time zones. You're 5 time zones away from me. Should be 4, but we added +1. All right. Bitcoin. What are we doing? First, before we get into Bitcoin, we got to get into what are we seeing today on the economic front. Today, we have the average hourly earnings. Okay. This one is this is the earliest data related to labor inflation. Okay. So it's released monthly. It's a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When businesses pay more for labor, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. Cost for consumer goes up. That's not good. Well, that's what Powell wants to see, right? So, what we want to see is this kind of, I don't know. This one really, I don't think really matters. All of these dump at 8:30 today, okay? 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's 7:30 for us Central Standard Time, guys, okay? 8:30 Eastern Standard Time is going to be jam-packed, okay? Jam-packed. We then have the non-farm employment change, which if this comes in under, look out. Not a lot of jobs changing. Unemployment rate, this is going to be the easy one, okay? This is going to be the easy one to decipher, okay? 4.1% is the forecast. I believe the last one, the previous was 4.1%. If this comes in higher, watch out. Watch out. I think we will get some relief. So, let's come over here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts, which Bitcoin is already looking pretty nice here. We had the Dumpski, which has played out with a technical target, or measured move rather. Just barely short. Came up just short, but then got back above the trend line. Well, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Might be playing a little loose. It tapped off of, bounced off of it a couple times here. So, yeah. All right. So we got to close back above the support. That's good. Little pullback. And now we get to see if it's going to continue to push higher. But let's go down to the smaller trend time frames and take a look. Take a look-see there. Let's go to the 1 hour. This is the Bitstamp chart. Let's go to a different chart. Let's go to the Blowfin Perp chart. Seeing a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here. Why, William? Thank you. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Let's see. Let's draw a neckline. This would be a really weird head and shoulders. Not your typical head and shoulders, right? I don't know if I like that. I don't like that at all, actually. It's not really a head and shoulders, but it does kind of look like a accumulation pattern. We do have a bullish divergence down here that has played out. This is the hourly, so that has definitely played out there. Let's see. What do we have above us? Let's go to the 4 hour real quick and see. All right, so we have some equal highs up here. Let's go back to the. This is what I'm looking at. I want to see. We have some equal highs up here, equal highs here. So these are going to be areas of interest. More equal highs up here. I mean, the liquidity. There's liquidity definitely above us, but there's also liquidity below us. Now, I'm being super cautious because this was a nice sell-off here. So this is going to be an area that I would expect us to come up into and possibly reject from. Okay, because this, I mean, we see the big sell-off here. Probably all of that. All of this was an up thrust after distribution, and then you get your down move, and now we try to see if we can get some relief, and then we see what we do from here. If we come up here, we got to be careful because we could see it come back down to here, back into an area of demand. And yeah, so that could mean more downside. So this is what I mean by the title, relief and then dump. This is something that I could definitely see happening with the Bitcoin. I don't want it to happen. 15-minute almost doing break of structure, says Rockinos. Let's go to the 15-minute. Well, break of structure would be breaking this over here, because then we're really, well, I guess you could say this is break of structure here. Get a push to the upside. Man, it's looking kind of bullish, guys. I'm gonna be honest. Looking kind of bullish for the day, anyway. I think we're looking bullish for the day. Let's go ahead and pull a fib from the high to the low. There we go. So I think we at least get up, do a 50% retracement to 66,150. Then we have our golden pocket above us. I keep calling this a 702, and it really bothers me. But this is the golden pocket, guys. Why are my labels to the left? I don't like that. Thank you. So this is the golden pocket. As I said, we do have that area of resistance here, and we do have the golden pocket right there. And we have some equal highs right here. So I could definitely see price getting up here, maybe getting a rejection on the 702, but a bounce off of the 50, Then another push up to the 786 at about 68,361. And then rollover. Now, of course, we want to see things that are telling us that this is what we're going to get, which would be some form of like bearish divergence or SMT divergence or any kind of divergence or a weakening in the momentum as it is pushing to the upside. So, it's a combination of things. We got to have confluence. We can't just think, well, it's just going to come up here and then it's going to roll over. We've got to, we got to have several other factors lining up at the same time. Do you think the universal basic income will affect the crypto market in a good or bad way? I don't think it has any kind of, I don't think it would have any kind of, universal basic income. It depends. Is it new money printed or is it just old money recirculating? That's basically it. If it's new money printing, that's good for the market. If it's just old money being recirculated, it's no impact. L. Jones, what's going on, L. Jones? Fancy taking a look at XRP? Sure, yeah. In a fat long, taking 50% out, looking for re-entry. Okay. Hello. Super excited about his job. Yep. Looking at mobile streaming setup so I can stream at work. Yep. Oh, by the way, Blackie Chan, I found out through my dad the other day that we could go live on just our phones, and then like I just send you a YouTube stream link or whatever, and you can just join me on YouTube. Like, that's it. You can just through YouTube. So that is something that I want to look into, because you can just if you can just stream through YouTube together. I don't know. Good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Slick as data shoes from the Goonies, yo. I will definitely be tuning in when I can, or checking the vids and catching up if I'm at work for sure. I'll be streaming on the Piper Academy, and me and David will be doing a morning show. Show. Yes. All right. I wish Floki wouldn't have taken as much of a tumble as it did. It is what it is. Meme coin. Meme coins always get hit the hardest, guys. Oh, but the meme coins are strong. Some people will never learn. Can you sing happy birthday to you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Al Jones. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Woo! Stay away from memes if you want to make real money. Yep, the only reason I want to set up hello, you lovely beast. Hello, Frimbo, Indian market official. What's going on? I kind of want to just go ahead and enter along, to be honest with you guys. I just kind of want to enter along. 8:30 will be wild. Let's see, where is that? Let's see. 8:30 right here. All right. Oh yeah. I could see some crazy whipsaw action, but I could also see a big pump into my area of resistance and then a dump. Especially since our momentum is already kind of pushing to the upside a little bit. Oh man, I'm gonna have to take the chat off of here. You can't even see my stuff. Tap Chat. Where's the chat? YouTube chat. All right. There we go. All right. So, yeah. Momentum's coming to the upside. If this comes up, actually, I mean, if this can come up and stay above here, then momentum is looking good because then we wouldn't, if this comes up and this comes up and this is doing this, that's not, well, I'm sorry. If this comes to the upside, that is, and this comes in higher than over here, as this is pushing higher, then that is momentum following price, which is not a divergence, which is good. But if we zoom out, let's see. That's about the same. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay. So it's looking good. No, I'm serious. I need to, I'm going to enter a trade real quick. I'm going to ride this momentum to the upside. I'm not looking for a perfect entry. I'm just trying to get in. And if I'm wrong, guess what? Hey, I manage my risk properly. Set a stop loss, and it'll be good. What kind of move would to the golden pocket be? A 3.5% move from current price. If I come in below, I would come in lower than the low of this current candle, this current 4 hour candle. I'm cool with that. That's about a 1.27% risk. That's the only thing that I can control. And I won't exit. I won't exit unless it tells me I need to exit. So I don't know what my take profit will be because that's not how I trade. I will take my profit when I see momentum dying off. But take out this high right here, I will add to my position. Okay, take out this high here, I'll add to my position, and I will I will move my stop loss to entry, maybe a little bit above to take care of fees. And then I'll just let it ride. We'll let it ride and see what we can get out of that. 15-minute, let's see. A little bit of a push down, a little bit of a break of structure. Yep, it's getting a nice push. Starting to create a fair value gap. If it was to close there. But this could be a breakaway gap, which means we don't come back and touch it. So it's very possible that that is a breakaway gap. There we go. Hey, sorry, I might have missed it, but I was wondering what a good stop loss target would be for the Doge chart you posted on the Discord. Much love. Oh. Thought about doing that too, Sniper. Stay away from memes unless you have 10K as 1% of your portfolio to throw at 100 of them. Yeah. Floki is a meme. The developers sell off on the diamond hands. Floki has a good foundation, contributes 4 different things to the crypto sphere as a whole. I look at it as a working meme coin. Let's see. Frimboy. What was he one? Oh yeah, Doge. Yeah, first, what time is it? 6:20 or 6:10? Okay, we're good. First, I've already entered my long. It is what it is. We ride. We ride. We'll see what happens at 8:30. It'll probably be like one big quick down candle and then one big quick up candle and then rally for the rest of the day. That quick down candle will come down just to hit my stop loss and then pull everything back to the upside because it needs to draw down, get that liquidity, and then push back to the upside. Trying not to wipe out. Trying to ride the waves, okay? We have to ride the waves. We can't be scared to jump in trades. Can't be scared. Gotta manage our risk. And there you go. Now, we don't want to jump in trades at the top of them or at the bottom of them. I mean, we can if you're going the opposite direction. XRP. I don't even like looking at this chart anymore. Let's go to the Bitstamp. Oh, look at that. I've had this drawn out on here for a while. Why is this so far? This isn't right. There we go. I'm confused. Why is this so, like, off? What? Oh, because it's not in log? Yes. That was it. That was it. That was the one. Because it was not in log. There we go. Yeah, so, I mean, it's just doing what it's done in the past, which is bounce off of support, well, a long consolidation, get that last little push down, push up, and now it's consolidating it right in the exact same spot. So, yeah, I mean, XRP could get moving, guys. Could get moving. And it is at key support. And it got a nice little bounce off of that key support. This is the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we're looking like here. Let's move this over a little. There we go. Little tap. Tap into key support. Nice bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. So not insignificant time frame. Yeah. Nice bullish divergence there. Low. Higher low. Low. Lower low. Bullish divergence. So, yeah. Let's go ahead. I don't know how well XRP follows patterns, but if this was to bullishly break out, sky is the limit. Push it to the limit. I would probably aim for that upper resistance I have here. What even is this? Oh, 0.236 at 86 cents, 87 cents. So that would be the target, I would think, if we broke out. Now, of course, we would have to get through some resistance here first at 73.9, about 74 cents. Yeah, this one's definitely going to be 74 cents here. And then, of course, the red box, the whole red box is resistance as well. So, I mean, we know XRP, when it gets moving, it can really get moving. But the main thing is, got to get above the highs here. Got to get above the highs. And, yeah, we got to get some closes above the highs here, especially this high, particularly this high, before, I won't say before you jump in, because like I was set, oh yeah, look at that. That's a deep, deep bullish divergence. That's pretty, man. Now this thing might come dipping down. We do have a fair value gap down here that we have not come back down to test. Could be a breakaway gap that we don't get back down to, but it's just something to be mindful of, especially with the economic data coming out today. Well, I would let that play out for like 15 minutes, 15, 30 minutes after 8:30. So probably wait. Yeah. So that would be like 8:45, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Wait for then to really like go big on a trade. But the little trade that I just opened up, I mean, it's a little $4 trade. Like I literally just did like a little baby trade. See what I can get off of it. I mean, if I lose 50 cents, I lose 50 cents. Like I don't care. It's just for fun. Sometimes for me. So that's just me. But I don't do memes. Isn't that funny? Isn't that ironic? Well, memes, I will trade memes. I will not invest in memes. That's the difference. That's the difference. No long-term hodling of memes for me. Just too risky, not worth it. Um, I posted on Twitter yesterday. I looked at Nike, a Cardano meme coin. Down, it's currently down 88% from its high. 88%. Speaking of memes. So yeah, XRP, I'm just yeah, I mean, XRP looks super bullish to be honest. But what does that mean when it comes to XRP? Let's get above some resistances. Let's get above this 236 at 87 cents. I mean, getting above 74 cents would be key, or would be big as well. So, but we do have to be cautious. We have seen us push down from here at that 236. So, but if things can really get ramping up, then it's a lot of upside for this old token. For one of the oldest tokens out there. I don't even waste my time trading them. They can wick and destroy a great setup. When I say trade, I mean spot trade. So I'm not I wouldn't do no leverage on meme coins because you don't really need it. Because the only times I trade meme coins is when I see a bullish setup. I do a spot buy. There's a narrative behind it. I let it double up, and I get out. That's all. That. I do not go more than for a double up. I did that on GME. Go look at that real quick, and then we'll go look at. I'm sorry. Does that satisfy you on XRP? It's bullish, but just yeah, it's bullish. 74 cents is the next target. GME. Now we could get a pullback if Bitcoin pulls back as well. GME USD, USDT, CoinX, Poloniex, Mexi. See, GME. I jumped in to join the narrative that was going on back in June. It was either this candle or this candle. Okay. I was like, all right, I could get a double up out of this. And I got in and it doubled and I got out. And it kept going just a little bit more. And then it rolled over ever since. So, hey. Floki, USDT. Was this the other one that I needed to look at? That's a little bit of a I don't like it. Let's go to the weekly. Floki is looking like a little bit of a distribution top in here. Double top. Let's see. Squeeze this in a little more. There we go. Let's go ahead. Going to try and see. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I'm just a little. Okay. Yeah, probably more downside at some point. I mean, of course, if Bitcoin pumps, everything pumps. But the thing is, when Bitcoin dumps, everything's going to dump. Everything else is going to dump even harder. So, yeah. Not really. Trying to see if there's anything bullish about this. Yeah, I could definitely see some short-term relief. Maybe. That's tough. Let's see. 50% retracement. How much of a gain would that be? 25%. What am I on the daily? Yeah, I'm on the daily. You guys are talking up a storm over here. What's going on? Oh, Alexandra G. I can just trade BTC, have historical data, and use leverage to get the same gains. Yep. Alexandra G. Good morning. Good morning. G unit. All right. So Floki has come down into an area of interest, a fair value gap, and it has taken that liquidity. Well, what's it going to do with it? That's a really good question. I could definitely see some relief here. Not a lot. I mean, look at all these. It's just been struggling. But like I said, the word of the day is relief. All right. So yeah, relief. Now it doesn't have to come down here, but if we get this relief like this, and then we start putting in a kind of a bear flag in here, then I would be careful. You know, I would look for the more downside. This is what I would be looking for from a bearish case scenario here. And then if this comes up with it, hey, guess what you get out of that? You get yourself a nice bear div, and then that would give you your confluence for further downside. So yeah, relief, then dump. Relief, then dump. Relief, then dump. There you go. Alex Crypto, verified trader. All set. Everybody's here. What's going on? How long till Baby Otter is here? Baby Otter will be here next month. I've been keeping track. Baby shower today. Oh, that's so exciting. Marriage Sunday. That's Sunday? Oh my gosh. Congratulations, Alex. Congratulations. I got some stuff. Look. I wanted it to be a surprise, but got some stuff that's going to be going on something for you, okay? All right? I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'll show you. Here's one. Okay? There's one. And then there's another one. Okay? Been working on it. You'll see. You'll see. You'll see what it is. I'll get it. I'll get that to you as soon as possible. I'm excited. So but yeah. For months, dude, I've been telling my wife for months. I'm telling you, man, we're so busy. It's so difficult. But you'll get whatever it is here soon, hopefully. Oh, goodness gracious. Just wait. Just wait. But anyway, what time is it? 6:26. Yeah. Baby room decals? Not quite. Not quite. You'll see it on Alex's stream one day, I'm sure. I feel like there's about 10 of us that have been trading friends for about 2 years. Oh, in the chat right now? Yeah. I mean, a lot of these names. Sniper's Nightmare, Chris Klein, L. Jones. Was it All Set back in? All Set? Yeah. Was All Set Candle Mafia? I want to say yes. Verified trader, not so sure. Oh, set's been around for a minute. Designs for onesies. No. Where's Anonymous? Bro, Anonymous, like, it saddens me. Anonymous one day was just like, he was just having trouble with the trading. And he was trading Forex, and they kept, in Forex, they do this, like, spread, right? And it'll just, like, randomly occur. I'm not sure when. There might be actual times, but it would just candles would just go crazy at, like, a certain time, and it would just, like, take him out. And he just got tired of it. And he was like, this is just too much like gambling. I got to stop. I'm done. And he stopped. And haven't seen him since. So, yeah. It's kind of, I'm upset about it because I loved him, Anonymous. I still love Anonymous, but it's just, I miss him, you know? Maybe one day he'll come back around. Maybe one day. Yeah, so these tend to break to the downside. I don't know. I'm just not very bullish on memes in general, so don't catch me lying to you about Super Bowl stuff. Super Bowl. Whiff. It's going to come down and it's going to take out these lows. I'm telling you, man. I do not like the way the meme coins went last. Like, I don't understand why, like, I just don't understand. Everybody knows the order of operations, okay? Right? Everybody knows the order of operations. Is Bitcoin first, right? Bitcoin first, big, and then large caps, small caps, memes. This is how the cycle goes. Money from Bitcoin flows into the large caps flows into the small caps flows into the memes. What was going off the hardest towards the last part, or towards, once Bitcoin was deeper into the correction? Memes. It's what happens. Anyway, this is looking good. Look at that. When did I draw this on here? Pepe, you dead. Let's see. I drew this on here right here because that is as far as my fixed range volume profile went, was right here. Ooh. Now it's pushed up, and now we can see, ooh. That could be building a support here. Maybe. We'll see. Anyways, it is 6:30. I do have to go. Crypto Anon. What about Crypto Anon? Yeah, Thesis. Yeah. Melissa's an OG. Unaware Wolf. Yeah. Unaware Wolf's in my Discord, bro. Every day. Good old DGen times. Yeah, for sure. Gotta bounce, y'all. Yep. I gotta go too, guys. I appreciate each and every single last one of you for being here and showing up and showing your love and being kind. Please go out today, touch some grass over the weekend also, and go help someone. Go do something. Go do something productive for once in your life. No. No, go yeah, no, I wasn't too good on the TA this morning. I'm sorry. Some mornings are good. Some mornings my brain just no functioning. But you get the general idea, right? Relief. Look for bearish divergences or something bearish, and then at least a pullback. Hopefully not a dump, but I would think at least a pullback of some kind. I would think, hey, this thing could just get rocking and rolling and surprise me for all I know. So But I will be looking at the key areas of resistance and looking for bearish divergences or something of the sort, some kind of bearish confluence. But if it's not there, then we ride. Go do something nice for somebody today. Give somebody a compliment. Just be a good person. I love you guys. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful, beautiful, amazing, excellent, radical Friday and weekend. Ride the waves. Peace out. Timeout. Did I forget Doge? I forgot Doge. Stop loss on Doge is the low. Okay? Thank you. I love you. Goodbye. I got to remember to do this. Don't forget to watch Piper Academy at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Crypto Nightcap at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or, no, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Mad love. Goodbye.